Sketch your way to the stellar 2024. Let's ignite your artistic soul. Hey there, fellow sketchers. The clock's about to strike a brand new year. Well, literally days away from 2024. And the air practically crackles with potential. Can you feel it? It's a symphony of blank pages, whispering promises, sharpened pencils humming with anticipation, and our artistic souls vibrating with the urge to create. This, my friends, is going to be the year we unleash our inner sketching superheroes. Number 1. Daily Doodles, your creativity calisthenics. Imagine waking up not just to a new day, but to a fresh sketchbook open before you, begging to be filled with the magic of your imagination. That's the power of Daily Doodle, a 10-minute burst of artistic energy that will get your creative juices flowing like lava from a freshly erupted volcano. No pressure, no masterpieces required, just pure, unadulterated joy in the act of putting pen to paper. Think of it as a mini meditation for your soul, a way to limber up your artistic muscles and greet the day with a playful wink to your inner muse. This is going into my New Year resolution. Doodle every day. Will you join me? Number 2. Embrace the Wabi-Sabi of sketching. For those of you wondering, Wabi-Sabi is the Japanese concept of beauty in the imperfect, finding peace in the simple, accepting the impermanence of things. Anyway, remember the first time you learned to walk? Probably not. Wobbly steps, hilarious tumbles, yet every giggle-filled misstep propelled you closer to mastery. That's the essence of embracing imperfections in your sketches. Those wonky lines, the smudged shadows, the happy accidents, as Bob Ross liked to call them, that bloom where mistakes once resided, they're not failures, they're stepping stones on your path to artistic enlightenment. Learn to see the beauty in the imperfect, the charm in the unexpected, and watch your confidence soar as you learn to deal with mistakes and eventually learn to accept them and make them your own. Some of which becomes your artistic signature. Number 3. The world is your sketch pad. Forget boring still lifes and sterile studio setups. The world is your oyster, a vibrant tapestry woven with endless inspiration. Notice the way sunlight paints dappled patterns on leaves, how laughter lines etch stories around your subject's eyes, how the city pulse throbs in the neon symphony of a bustling street if you were to sketch Bangkok, for example. Every corner holds a secret sketch waiting to be unearthed, a whispered story begging to be captured in ink and watercolor. Open your eyes, awaken your senses, and let the world fuel your artistic fire. Number 4. The master's shoulder to lean on. No artist emerges from a vacuum. We all stand on the shoulders of giants, learning from the strokes of Van Gogh, the composition of Da Vinci, the playful lines of Saul Steinberg. Don't be shy to lean on the masters. Devour reference photos, pore over your favorite art books, and let the techniques of the greats seep into your own artistic DNA. Study how they handle light and shadow, capture the essence of a gesture, or build a composition that sings. Most importantly, observe how the masters handle the edges. It's not copying, it's an apprenticeship, a discipleship, a way to accelerate your learning and elevate your skills to new heights. Number 5. Experimentation playground. Ditch the comfort zone, my fellow sketchers. Grab that color you never used, try your hand at flicking your water brush to create splatters. Let your imagination run wild while sketching the most mundane in order to make it out of this world. Every experiment is a stepping stone, every what if a potential artistic breakthrough. Don't be afraid to step outside the lines, to play with textures, explore unusual part of the medium, and delve into the uncharted territory of your creative potential. This is your playground, your artistic laboratory, where the only rule is to break the rules and let your unique artistic voice soar. Number 6. The power of the sketching tribe. We are not in this alone. The internet is buzzing with a vibrant community of fellow sketchers, all hungry for inspiration, feedback, and a good old-fashioned dose of artistic camaraderie. Thank you for being part of this community, I really do. So share your sketches online, join challenges, connect with like-minded souls, and let the collective energy of the community fuel your passion. Learn from each other, offer encouragement, and watch your skills blossom under the warm sunlight of support and shared enthusiasm. So, remember my friends, artistic mastery is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate every shaky line, every triumphant curve, every happy accident that becomes a stroke of genius. This is your year to fill your sketchbooks with laughter, with wonder, with the sheer joy of creation. So grab your watercolor and pencils, let your soul sing, and let's paint 2024 with the vibrant colors of our artistic dream. Together, we'll turn every blank page into a masterpiece, every sketch into a testament to the boundless possibilities that lie within each and every one of us. Next year, let's not just sketch the world, let's sketch it into something beautiful, something meaningful, something uniquely and wonderfully us. Onward, fellow artists, this is WeTake, out for the year 2023, so see you in 2024. Oh, one last note before I sign out. I have a free online sketching course. I will put in the description right below. Please do sign up if you haven't. I'll see you in 2024. Bye!